to the Batman.
Man to the Batman. Batman. Man to the Batman. 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 Okay, Sparkle.
You're wrestling with it.
Corey wants Sparkle. Corey wants you to hunk your monkey. Here, get over there and hunk your monkey, dude.
Come on.
Okay. What are you doing?
Do your stuff.
See, you getting ready to mess up Corey's video. Corey wants you to hunk your monkey, Sparkle. Well, are you going to talk to him? Say, Corey.
Go rumpa pump pump.
Say, Corey, you go hunk your own monkey. Huh?
You don't want to hump it for Corey.
Okay, go hunk your monkey for Corey. Are you going to do it?
Go rumpa pump 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 pump.
Look, Sparkle. 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 Corey wants you to do your monkey. See, Corey, now he ain't going to do his monkey because you want him to. And that.
He wants to hump it for himself.
Okay.
Let's see.
Sparkle.
Go hump it for yourself.
Corey wants you to do your monkey. Corey said, do your monkey, dude. He told you to do it. Hey, Corey said, do your monkey. Oh, you gonna. Are we
gonna turn this video into Jerry Springer?
You gonna turn this video into Jerry Springer? Come on, Corey.
You said, come on, Corey. You said it. You said that.
Come on, Sparkle.
Don't call me Barkle.
No, I won't call you Barkle. Now, why are you biting your dog? Well,
he gonna hump you. He gonna hump you. You better hump him.
Sparkle.
He gonna bite him in the crowd.
Get over there, little Fruit Loop.
Hey, you wanna do the Batman?
You better do the Batman over there. I don't want you over here with the Batman. Do your Batman over there. Oh, see, you trying to be tough. You trying to be hard, ain't you? You trying to be hard, huh? You trying to be hard today. You trying to be hard today, huh? Psycho dog. Corey, this is Cujo at his best.
This is baby Cujo.
Baby Cujo. Say, Bumper, put me down, damn it. Say, Bumper, leave me alone now. Put me down. There you go. Get over there with your dog. Get over there with your dog, dude. He done psyched out.
Sparkle's TV meltdown. First 30 seconds of him being on TV, he already had a meltdown.
Sparkle,
in his career.
Are you going to show your personality? You showing your personality to Corey?
He's like, I'm not just a dog.
I'm a happy dog. I'm a happy personality dog.
He like, I like to get wild, and I like to go bang, bang, bang.
Now get over there and do your monkey. Okay. Corey wants you to do your monkey. You better stay over there with that monkey. Now, I mean it, Dookie. Over there with that monkey. No.
America's Most Wanted.
Corey wants you to do your monkey. Say, now, Corey, I'm going to do my own monkey. Say, I can do my own monkey. Now, show Corey you do your monkey. Now, there you go. Say, Corey, this is the way you do it. You back the dude up.
You gotta do a shake real quick.
Gotta shake it off. Now, get over there. Corey wants you to get your monkey.
Do the good boy job.
He wants you to do your Batman. Corey wants you to do your Batman.
To the Batman.
To the Batman. To the Batman. Now, quit biting him. You think you tough. You think you hard. You think you hard. Cujo over his deputy dog.
He's doing the splits.
Now you get back there and do your own monkey, Cujo. Cujo. Okay, now get back there and do your own monkey. See, he's pulling his hair out. Now quit pulling the hair out.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Now get your monkey back there.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Sparkle. Corey wants you to do your dog. You gonna do your dog for Corey?
Corey said do the monkey and he gets you a big, big bone.
Boom, boom. Okay, he getting ready to do it. He getting ready to do his Batman. No, you gonna let go? You gonna go over there and do your Batman, dude? You gonna go over there and do your Batman? Here, You gonna do your Batman? Okay, over there. Okay, it's your video. You do it. You do your own video.
Like,
Now leave it over there. No, Sparkle.
I'll make a roadblock. Don't make me.
Oh, you think you hard today, don't you? You think you hard? Go ahead, hard dog. Hardly dogging. Okay, drop the doggy.
He got me.
Okay, now, if you're going to do your dog, you better do your dog over there. I don't want it over here. Now, I mean it. You think you is a trip, dude.
You gonna do the Batman? You gonna do it right now?
You're going to do your Batman over there, dude.
He took your college paper.
Now, do it over there. No. I said no. You want to fight? You want to fight? Huh? I box you, dude. I box you. No. I said no. I said no, and I mean it. Now, I'm going to take your doggy. I'm taking the Rottweiler. Now, I mean it. Dude, you got a personality. You're going to listen to me. When Mama said no, she mean no. Now, if you're going to do the dog, you better do the doggy. You hear me?
Do that, man.
You going to do the Batman for Corey? Huh? You going to do the Batman for Corey? Well.
You give me $1.
Oh, you going to talk now, huh? Okay, well, go ahead and talk. Oh, what you going to say? Okay, now do the Batman for Corey so we can get this over with. I said no. What did I tell you? Didn't I say leave it over there?
You're like, I don't do Batmans for free. You're like, you're going to give me $1 for a Batman.
Bumper laughing at you. Say, Bumper, quit teasing me about my Batman. Say, quit teasing me about my Batman. Say, I'll bite your damn finger. Say, I'll bite your damn finger, Bumper. Say, I'll bite your damn finger, little sissy.
What you call sissy? That's right.
Say, I'll call you sissy. Say, I'll have my baby where I want my baby at. Sparkle?
Batman.
What you doing? What you doing, psycho dog? Okay. Well, you stay over here with him. Okay, now, there you go. Corey, he's going to take him to the closet for you.
Trapped in the closet?
No, he ain't. I said leave the dog over here, Sparkle. No. I'm not going to tell you about that dog again. Okay? Leave it over there. If you want to hump your monkey, you do it over there. You ain't doing it over here. I'm sitting here. You think you running somebody.
Running something.
Okay.
Be old.
Say, Bumper, shut up. Say, I'll show you how to do it right. I'll do it like that, Corey. Like that. Ha, ha. Say, ha, ha, Corey. Say, I'll show you how to do it, Corey. Say, you just swing them into position. Say, ain't that right? Say, ain't that how you do it? Yep, you get over there and say, that's how you do it. Say, leave my monkey alone. I said, nope. Park it.
Police.
Park it, buddy.
Police.
Say, shut up, Bumper. Say, Bumper, shut it up. Say, I'll bite the shit out of you, little punk. Say, I'll get you, Bumper. I'll get you, Bumper.
No.
Say no. No. Okay. It's time to send Corey some video.
You want to send a video?
Want to send a video to Corey? Say, Corey, I send you video. Say, I send you a big video. Say, I'm running around in circles, doing viral video.
Nuts.
Say, Bumper. Okay, now you gotta put it over there.
You pocket-sized poodle.
What did I tell you? Smelling your booty. He's smelling your booty. Why are you smelling your booty? You're smelling your booty. Time for you to go out.
You want to go outside? Oh, boy, you want to go outside?
All right.
Oh, boy, you want to go
Time
outside?
to go outside.
Oh, it's outside.
Say, video's over.
Say bye,
Say bye, Corey.